Hello everyone, let's solve the aeroplane pentomino puzzle. For this, you need some color papers and puzzle printouts, glue, masking tape, a ruler and a cutter or a pair of scissors. Take print out a 12 pentomino puzzle pieces on colored sheet. Paste it properly. Apply glue evenly. Use the scissors carefully. You will find 12 different shaped pentomino pieces. Cut the main puzzle sheet and paste them together carefully. Now, we are ready to solve the pentomino aeroplane puzzle. Here are 4 clues to solve the puzzle. Try it by yourself before watching the entire video. Well done! Kindly like the video and share it with your friends. Also hit the subscribe button if you are visiting our channel for the first time. The link of this printable is available in the description box. Go get it.